How to mark all email as read in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Gmail and you'll find square shape button at the top. Simply select that. After you've selected that, click on three dots. In three dots, you'll find options. Simply click on switch to advanced toolbar, which is the last option. Because right now, there is no mark as read option. After doing that, click on three dots and you'll find mark as read at the top. As you can see, now you're good to go. This is how to mark all email as read in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.